So what up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a paper airplane. So my sister was holding the camera. The paper's right here. So you need a plain sheet of paper, right? And then you fold it into half. Bend the edges. Fold it again, like this. Flip it over like this. Fold it like this. And then when you got that, you just fold this edge to there.
I have a question. What are you gonna do with that paper?
Oh, it's just gonna make for. I'm just not doing it for nothing. I'm not doing it for nothing. And then I fold it like this, And I fold it like this, like that, and I fold it like this. And then let's see how far it flies. I'm gonna take the camera now. Let's see how far it flies. Ready, guys? Look over there. Ready? We went through the stairs. Probably. I'm gonna throw it outside and show you how far it is. So if you guys haven't seen my room tour, my house tour, I meant, go check it out. Because I have a big house. Letting y'all know if you wanna see. I have a big house. So let's go. Excuse me, Eden. So let's see. Right here. Chuck it. That's the video. This is my face, and I'll see you all next time. Remember to stay crazy.